First of all, we are going to add 1 cup of water, or to make it easy, a sachet of water will do the job. And then we are going to add 200 grams of sugar to make it sweet, and 10 grams of instant yeast. And then we whisk it for a while so as to dissolve the yeast into the water and sugar, and allow the yeast to start acting on the sugar. That way the yeast will be activated and our bread will rise very easy and fast. So I use this mechanical whisking equipment that is very easy and enjoyable to use. Then I will add my flavor, that is vanilla flavor and the milk flavor combined together, and this makes the bread to taste awesome. Now we're going to use 650 grams of flour, and then I will use my whisk again to just easily whisk. But you find out that because the thickness, the viscosity has increased, my manual whisker is no longer doing the job, so I drop it and decide to use my fork to stir it. Now I'm using this method because it enables me to make the dough very smooth. If you use this method as a beginner, your dough will come out very smooth. So you first of all mix the first one, stir it like pap before you add. So you can see that I added the flour gradually and use the fork to stir, and when it becomes so thick and getting too strong for the fork, I will now use my hand to do the remaining job. This will give me a very smooth, pliable and beautiful dough. And now after kneading it in the plate for a while, I decide to clear the table, sprinkle some dry flour, and then knead it on the table so as to have to make the dough be very, very good and smooth. So at this point I'm going to add my butter, which is 30 grams. You can see 30 grams of butter, and it will help me to knead easily. It will prevent sticking. Now after kneading, you can see how smooth the dough looks, but not really smooth the way I want it. So I allow it to rest for 30 minutes. I can see how it has doubled in size, and then I'm going to continue. Now at this point, you don't have to knead it too much. You just have to pet the dough and form this ball. And I'm going to use a rolling pin because the method I want to mold this bread, I want the bread to look unique. So I rolled it to this shape, fold it again, and then I'm going to roll for the second time. Please like this video. Please give us a thumb up, like this, or press the like button. Help us, motivate us. This is the only way you can motivate us, by liking the video. Drop a comment. I will sincerely appreciate if you do that. Just drop your comment, drop your own opinion, share this video with somebody who want to learn bakery business, want to learn bread business. Now I also want to let you know that we also conduct training, so you can contact the number displayed on your screen and we will do justice to that. We'll train you the best way, the simplest way to make bread. At this point, I use my pizza cutter to cut the dough into 3 portions as you can see. Now I'm going to weave it so that to give me a beautiful design, because I love doing new things. I love trying new things, new pattern of molding, not just the conventional way. So let's try and see what will be the result. But I believe that it will come out very beautiful. Now, if you are a beginner, you should know that you make so many mistakes in course of producing bread. Maybe if you want to start, baking bread at home or for commercial purpose, you should know that you will be making mistakes. Now, after folding it, I put it inside, allow it to double its size, and then I'm going to egg wash. Now, this egg washing is not just only egg, it's egg and melted butter to give me a golden brown, not dark brown. Now I'm going to cover it and send it to the oven and bake at 190 degrees centigrade. And this is the awesome result. The bread is heavy, beautiful golden brown, you can see, and this bread is super delicious. I hope you will try it at home. Now let's cut it and see how how the crumbs quality is, how it looks like the inside. Is it fluffy enough? Is it dense enough? Is it that sumptuous, or is just a solid stone? Let's look at it together now. Please, if you want to try this recipe, you are free to try it, because I know it's going to give you good result. You can see how the bread is, hot bread. This hot bread is so sumptuous and delicious. I want to say big thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, click on that notification bell, because I'm going to upload more videos on bread making, and I'm ready to give you more and more and more free of charge. So subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop your comments, share this video with your friends. God bless you.